Okay, flipper clip animation meme, called Goes, but I was interrupted by rAiNiNg. Look at that. Wait. Wait! Shush! Anyway, yeah. Let me show you. It's raining! Hi, I'm recording.
Don't show me.
No, just for you too! It's raining!
Sophia, it's not like it never rains.
I don't know. Wait! Look at the sky. What are you doing?
I'm getting some soup on now. Okay?
Anyway.
For me, come on.
Hi. I'm weird. Sorry, I'm dancing in the rain like I do. Wow, it calmed down. Sorry for my voice sucks. Hey guys, do you want another face reveal? Wait, you're not supposed to see my face. Okay, pretend this is my face. Do you want to see another? Do you want to see another animation by me? From here, let me pull up the channel. Let's go to YouTube. Sorry. See this one. I messed up right there. I tried to say welcome, but instead it said welcome without the E. Here it is. Okay. Okay. There it was. This is my friend from school. Tide Pods. Right.